and I'm Cassidy Cabale from grade 5A. And today, may we represent our basket. We call this a basket for a healthier Pinoy. This basket is full of fruits and vegetables that is naturally grows in Philippines. And many of this is exported in different countries like this coconut, banana, and of course this mango, which is the national fruit of the Philippines. So everyone, love the Philippines. Eat local fruits and veggies for a healthier Pinoy. Thank you so much.